Hello children, welcome you in class 3 SST class. Today we will see our lesson 4 Growing Up chapter. This is our chapter name. It is a lesson 4. In this chapter we will see the equality between boys and girls, and secondly we will see how boys and girls should treat each other, and third our aim is equality at a home, and then we will see women in the world, how women in the world are famous. So we will try to cover these few points. So let's we start our chapter. Here children, you can see I have drawn some picture. So look at the pictures and tell me that what you would like to play with. So in the our activity, most boys of your class would have chosen a toy car and football as the toy of their choice. On the other hand, most girls would pick a teddy bear or a doll as their favorite toys. Were there any boys who choose a doll or a teddy bear as their favorite toys? Or was there any girl who liked to play with a toy car and a football? Yes, of course. Some of children, they can be choose ball or a doll, whether they are a boys or a girl. They have their own choice. That means all children are different and they can have different choice of a toys. So we should respect everyone's choice. What we should do? We should respect. We should respect everyone's choice, just like we expect others to respect our choice. So most important thing is that we should respect everyone's choice. So all boys and girls are equal and they have the right to make their choice. There is nothing right or wrong about such choices. Everyone should be allowed to play with a toy of their choice. They can be wear their favorite color, or they can be choose whatever they want to eat. So we should respect each other's choice and treat everyone at the same way. So let us see how boys and girls should treat each other. And this is very important for you children. So first point is they should respect each other in a school. Not only school, at a home, nearby society. Also they should respect each other. Second thing is they should not push or hit each other. Then third, they should take a permission before taking things. This is a very important thing for you children. They should take a permission. Otherwise we can say that we should take a permission before taking things. Without a permission we should not take anybody things. Next point, they should give each other space to walk and play. And last point is that they should play with each other but respect the rules of the game. These are the few points we should treat each other equally. in a school, in a nearby home, in a society. We should follow these guidelines. This is a very important things for you, children. Next, let us see how equality at a home. How equality at a home, children? You also have observed in your home. Let us see how women's or a girls or a man or a boys, or otherwise we can say that papa, mummy, or bhaiya and didi, are equal at a home? So let me see here. Women and girls always did household work like cooking, cleaning and washing. On the other hand, men and boys did all the outdoor work. Your home also, children. Your bhaiya and papa, they are responsible for the outdoor work. But your mummy, they do all the household work like cooking, cleaning and washing. Apart from that, only your mother, she only wears supports to take care of children and help them in a homework. Your mommy also, she is responsible for the caring and for your homework also. So these are the equality, and we can say differences everyday life we are observing at our home. So but children, in many homes, do you know, in many homes women also go to office, work for a living, and men share kitchen work and look after the children, because time has changed. Nowadays man and woman both, they are going to office, and at the same time they share kitchen work and look after the children also. So next, let us see, children. So that means these days in many homes women also go to offices. So let us see how women's are nowadays. Some women, they achieve a very high post, very high rank in a society. So let us see who are they. They are like Kiran Bedi, Deepika Kumari, Mary Kom, Mithali Raj, Purnima, Mona Singh, Avni Chaturvedi and Bhavana Kant. They are the most important achiever in our society. So in your book, it is given, children, one story about that. So here story is given, Janvi's family story. You must read this story. And next, let us see, children, how women in the world are famous. Just like children should be allowed to play with the toys of their choice, men and women should also be allowed to do the work for their choice. These days, women and men take part in all activity they like and achieve success in the work they choose. Many men excel at cooking and have become a great chef. Similarly, many women excel at activity which were considered to be done only by men in the past. Let us look at some achievers from different fields. In a police, Kiran Bedi, she is a Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi was India's first woman IPS officer. Who is Kiran Bedi? Kiran Bedi was India's first woman IPS officer and become the in charge of the government of Pondicherry in 2016. And do you know, children, nowadays Kiran Bedi, she is a governor of the Pondicherry. Next, children, sports. 5 times world champion. She is a Mary Kom. She is a 5 times world champion. Mary Kom won an Olympic medal in 2012 and was awarded Arjun Award, Padma Bhushan and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. And next, she is a Deepika. She belonged to Ranchi. Deepika Kumari. She won the Arjun Award in 2012 for winning many awards in archery. Archery means, children, that means bow and arrows. So let us see next. Nobel Peace Prize winner. In a Nobel Peace Prize winner in 1991, Aung San Suu Kyi. What's the Aung San Suu Kyi? She is a Aung San Suu Kyi. Got the Nobel Peace Prize. Nobel Peace Prize for leading the democratic movement in Myanmar. Next, she is a Twakul Karman. She got the Nobel Peace Prize in 2011 for leading the non-violence struggle for the right of women in Yemen. Next, mount climbing. In a field of the mount climbing, 13 years old M. Purna from Andhra Pradesh. She is M. Purna. She belonged to Andhra Pradesh. Become the young girl to climb Mount Everest in the age of 13. And in a Indian Air Force pilot. In 2016, Mohana Singh, Avni Chaturvedi and Bhavna Kant become the first woman fighter pilot in the Indian Air Force. She is a Mohana Singh, Avni Chaturvedi and Bhavna Kant become the first woman fighter pilot in the Indian Air Force. That means so these are the women. They got a very respectful place. They are an achiever. They achieve. So we should not neglect the girl or a woman. We should give respect to them. So children, just like a children should be allowed to play with a toy of their choice, men and women should also be allowed to do the work of their choice. This is the moral of this lesson. We should respect, we should allow to do the work of their choice, because all men and women have their own choice, and because of that choice they can achieve a success. So we should respect each and every choice. So thank you children. Next day we will meet with a new lesson. Have a good day children.